Okay, just wanted to give a quick explanation for these LOL diagrams. I know it was a little rushed today in class. So I've got here our example that we talked about, kind of similar to the lab we did, where a beaker of water is placed onto a hot plate and heated until 90 degrees. Again, what we're saying is basically that everything has energy stored inside of it, and we are calling that, again, energy right now, thermal energy. Everything has a temperature. The temperature of a beaker full of water is at room temperature. It's not really cold. It's not really hot. I'm not going to give a numerical value to it, just a relative value. So I can pick any number of blocks that I want. Again, we're going to say 10 is probably our max. I'm going to draw 4 for the beaker of water. I'm going to maybe label that just to be safe. Okay? All I'm saying here is that, again, that the beaker of water has a temperature and it is relatively medium. It could go up from here, it could go down from here. Now, since we're putting it onto a hot plate and heating it, that means we're probably adding energy into it. Okay? We're heating it up a good amount here, up to 90 degrees, so almost boiling, but not quite. So I'm going to add some blocks of energy in. And again, these blocks are just representing random relative amounts of energy. And I am trying to show that this circle is representing the system. And in this case, these blocks of energy are going into the system. So I started off with 4 blocks of energy. I added in 3 blocks of energy. So 4 plus 3 means now I have 7. And it's kind of sloppy. 4, 5, 6, 7 to get 7 little lines on there. So that's why maybe I would label your bar chart here. We're going to have other types of energy that we talk about in the near future. But for right now, we're just talking about that thermal energy or that temperature energy that's going in. Again, all I want to see here is it started with some energy. Energy went in. And that the amount of this energy plus this energy is now equal to this energy. That's really what I'm looking for. So there's 4 practice problems on that worksheet that I shared out. We'll talk about them some more tomorrow.